Hello, tool lovers! Welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 20 new German hand tools that make other tools look cheap in 2026. From precision engineering to unmatched durability, these tools are built for serious craftsmen. Get ready to see innovation, quality and performance that completely redefine modern woodworking and workshop efficiency. Circular saw. Einhell cordless circular saws are versatile, budget-friendly, DIY, and semi-professional cutting tools built on the Power X Change 18-volt battery platform. They combine strong lithium-ion runtime with tool-free adjustments for depth and bevel control. Available in compact to heavy-duty models, they handle flooring, sheet goods, and framing tasks with ease. Brushless versions deliver more torque, longer battery life, and smoother performance for demanding woodworking projects in workshops and job sites. K Handle. The Felo Ergonic K Handle. Ratcheting screwdriver is a premium German-engineered multi-angle hand tool built for precision and power. It features a 60-tooth ratchet system with a fine 6-degree engagement angle for smooth control. With a pivoting 180-degree lockable head, it quickly converts between inline, pistol, and T-handle positions. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue while maximizing torque, making it ideal for professional-grade fastening tasks in tight spaces and demanding workshop environments. Bitholding screwdriver. The Wera T-Handle. Bitholding screwdriver 416R series is a premium German-engineered high-torque fastening tool designed for maximum control and efficiency. Its ergonomic cross-handle shape allows powerful force transfer, making it ideal for loosening tight screws and driving long fasteners with ease. The Rapidaptor 1/4-inch hex system enables fast bit changes with secure magnetic locking. Built with a steel core running through the handle, it ensures exceptional durability. Anti-slip grips and a winged design improve comfort, stability, and precision during demanding workshop or construction tasks. Six-in-one multi-driver. The Wiha SoftFinish 6-in-1 multi-driver is a premium German-engineered hand tool designed to replace multiple screwdrivers in a single compact design. It features Wiha's SoftFinish ergonomic cushion grip handle for maximum comfort and torque control during heavy use. Built with CRM72 modified tool steel, it delivers excellent durability and wear resistance. The multi-bit system includes Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square tips, while integrated hex nut drivers add extra versatility. Its anti-roll handle design and secure ball detent system ensure reliability, precision, and efficiency for professional electricians, mechanics, and serious woodworking users in demanding workshop environments. Laminate trim router. Bosch laminate trim routers are compact, high-speed woodworking tools designed for precision edge trimming, flush cutting, and decorative shaping. Available in corded and cordless 18-volt models, they deliver variable speed power with micro-fine depth control for clean cuts on laminates, veneers, and hardwoods. Features like constant response circuitry, ergonomic grip design, and dust extraction improve accuracy and comfort. Ideal for professionals, Bosch routers combine durability, control, and safety systems for consistent routing performance in demanding workshop applications. Every time delivers results. Forged wire stripper. The Knipex forged wire stripper 13718/13728 series is a premium German-made electrician's tool designed to replace multiple tools in one compact body. Built from forged steel, it combines wire stripping, cutting and gripping functions with exceptional precision and durability. It handles solid and stranded wires, cuts small screws, and even shears cables up to 1/2 inch. With ergonomic grip options and smart guiding ridges, it delivers speed, control, and reliability for professional electrical work. Arm Puller. The Kukko Arm Puller 221-1 is a premium German-engineered 3-jaw mechanical puller designed for precise and safe removal of bearings, gears, and discs. Its conical self-tensioning system automatically centers the jaws for a secure grip, reducing slippage under heavy load. With a maximum spread and reach of 120 mm, it ensures strong, balanced force distribution. Ideal for automotive and industrial maintenance, it delivers reliability, durability, and professional-grade performance. Smartholder. The Hazet Smartholder is a premium, ultra-compact German-engineered bit and socket storage system designed for professional-grade organization in a pocket-sized format. Built from durable engineering polymer, it combines a full mechanical toolkit into a folding case for maximum portability and efficiency. Competing with systems like the Wera ToolCheck Plus, it offers exceptional precision and reliability. The flagship 2300SH-1 includes 39 pieces, while compact 16-piece versions focus on fast screwdriver tasks. It features a solid steel mini ratchet, magnetic bit holder, and cleverly arranged bit and socket storage for quick access and superior workshop performance. Reciprocating Saw. Ronix Reciprocating Saws are rugged, cost-effective power tools designed for demolition, remodeling, and pruning tasks. Built for both professionals and DIY users, they deliver strong cutting performance with corded and cordless options ranging from 12 volts to powerful 40-volt systems. Each model balances speed, control, and durability, making them suitable for wood, metal, and PVC cutting jobs. With ergonomic grips, tool-free blade changes, and advanced motor technology, Ronix saws ensure smooth operation and reliable efficiency on demanding job sites and home workshops alike.
Hazet 971-5 Brake Piston. The Hazet 971-5 Brake Piston Reset Tool is a precision plier set designed for safe, effortless pushback of hydraulic disc brake pistons on bicycles. Built specifically for 2-piston MTB and road systems, it allows maintenance without removing the wheel. Its parallel spreading action protects sensitive pistons and seals, while the toggle lever ensures smooth, controlled force. Made in Germany, it features a comfortable, non-slip grip and compact design. FELO T-Handles with side drives. FELO T-Handles with side drives are premium German-made tools built for power, speed, and comfort. Their ergonomic 2-component soft grip handle reduces hand fatigue while delivering high torque through the T-handle design. Made from hardened chrome vanadium alloys, they exceed DIN and ISO strength standards. Quick finger spinning enables fast work, while multiple drive sizes and bit holder options make them versatile, durable, and ideal for professional and heavy-duty applications. Malco Duct Board Cutting Tools. Malco Duct Board cutting tools are trusted HVAC essentials, available in V-cut models for clean V-groove joints and cut-off models for precise straight cuts. Built with heat-treated stainless steel blades and a heavy-duty sled frame, they deliver smooth tracking, accurate results, and long service life. Replaceable blades and multiple size options support 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2-inch duct board. Specialised tools like the FG, 1-hole cutter, and FDC, 1-flex duct cutter expand versatility. Klein Tools Mini Ratchet Set. The Klein Tools Slim Profile Mini Ratchet Set 65200 is built for serious work in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Its 72-tooth reversible ratchet needs only a 5-degree swing, making fasteners easy to turn where clearance is limited. The dual-drive head integrates 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers, while chromium vanadium steel ensures durability. A finger loop boosts control, and magnetic bit retention keeps everything secure on the job. Irwin Quick Lift Construction. Jack. The Irwin Quick Lift Construction. Jack is a rugged, heavy-duty hand tool built to lift, hold, level, and install materials with ease. It delivers up to 330 pounds of lifting power and a 10-inch lift range for precise positioning. Controlled lowering allows fine adjustments while the quick release speeds unloading. Made from durable alloy steel with a slim tapered base, it's perfect for cabinets, doors, windows, appliances and more, like having an extra set of hands on the job. Knipex EvoStrip 12-4200. The Knipex EvoStrip 12-4200 is a smart, self-adjusting insulation stripper built for speed, precision and comfort. It automatically adapts to wire sizes from AWG 32 to 8, protecting conductors from damage. A top-mounted cable cutter delivers clean cuts on copper and aluminum. With adjustable cutting depth, ergonomic handles, replaceable components, and a lightweight, durable build, EvoStrip is ideal for professionals who demand accuracy and reliability every day. Kukko Dowel Pin Puller 223-2. The Kukko 223-2 Dowel Pin Puller is a professional, made-in-Germany extraction tool built for tough workshop and industrial jobs. Its adjustable 3-jaw chuck grips pins from 1 to 13 mm with micro serrations for maximum hold, even on smooth surfaces. A powerful 1 kilogram slide hammer delivers strong shock force for non-contact, damage-free removal. Ideal for tension pins, grooved pins, and engine block applications, it ensures precision, safety, and long service life. Hazet 3/4 inch Impact Socket Set Hinge 1000 SG. The Hazet 1000 SG 3/4 inch Impact Universal Joint socket set is built for extreme torque jobs in tight spaces. Designed for impact wrenches, the hinge sockets offer up to 25 degrees movement to reach obstructed fasteners on chassis and brake systems. High-strength chrome vanadium steel with a phosphatized finish resists wear and corrosion. Secure pin, O-ring retention, outside hex traction profile, and made in Germany quality ensures safe, reliable performance. FWI certification and DIN and ISO compliance underline durability for professional heavy-duty applications worldwide use. Channel Lock Soft Jaw Pliers. Channel Lock soft jaw pliers are designed with smooth or replaceable soft jaws to deliver a strong, non-marring grip on delicate surfaces like chrome or PVC pipe. They combine the rugged strength of traditional tongue and groove pliers with gentle gripping power, making them perfect for finished plumbing and automotive work. Forged from high-carbon US steel with corrosion-resistant coating, and featuring the Permalock fastener, these pliers ensure durable, reliable performance. Comfortable channel lock. Blue grips reduce hand fatigue, while the patented undercut tongue and groove prevents slipping. Felo Ergonic K Handle Ratcheting Screwdriver. The Felo Ergonic K Handle Ratcheting Screwdriver is a premium German-made tool designed for comfort and accessibility. Its patented ergonic handle adapts to the user's hand with soft, flexible cushions, reducing strain while delivering high torque. The head pivots 180 degrees and locks in multiple positions, making it perfect for tight or awkward spaces. A 60-tooth ratchet offers a fine 6-degree return angle for fast work, while the quick-release 1/4-inch bit holder ensures secure, easy bit changes.